This is a problem on stratified sampling, a GCSE Maths Level 8 question. Can you obtain a sample of 50 stratified by age group and gender? Press pause to try it or continue for the solution. Start by completing one of the highlighted row or column totals, choosing to start with all of those aged 35 or less. The total membership has 215 out of 360 people aged 35 or less, and the sample has a fraction with an unknown number of those aged 35 or less, all over 50. The two fractions must be equal if they are in the same proportion. Multiply both sides of the equation by 50 to eliminate the denominator of 50 in the sample, and cancel, giving the number aged 35 or less in the sample as 215 divided by 360 times 50, which is 29.9 to 1 decimal place. It is sensible to round this up to 30 people and record in the table. The number aged over 35 can be found by subtracting 30 from 50, which is 20. Choosing to find the number of males in the sample and compare with the number of males in the membership. The fraction of the total membership is 158 out of 360. And the fraction in the sample is an unknown number of males out of 50. And the fractions are equal if they are in the same proportion. Multiply both sides by 50 to eliminate the denominator of the sample, and cancel, giving the number of males in the sample as 158 over 360 times 50, which is 21.9 correct to 1 decimal place, and rounding to the nearest whole person gives 22, which is recorded in the table. The total number of females in the sample can be found by subtracting 22 from 50, which is 28. We now have a layer of values which combine both age and gender. Choosing to find the number of males who are aged 35 or less. We could use the total 30 or the total 22. Choosing the total 30 in the sample and comparing with the total in the membership. There are 92 out of 215 males aged 35 or less in the membership, and an unknown number out of 30 in the sample. The two fractions are equal if they are in the same proportion. Multiplying both sides by 30 and cancel, giving the number of males aged 35 or less in the sample as 92 divided by 215 times 30, which is 12.8 to 1 decimal place, giving 13 people to the nearest integer, which is recorded in the table. The remaining numbers in the sample can be found by subtraction. 30 minus 13 is 17. 22 minus 13 is 9. And 28 minus 17 is 11. And so the number in each category for a sample of 50 is obtained. The sample is proportionate to the total membership. Analysing a sample with these proportions would give a fair and representative view of the membership.